feels fulfilling. Kasi of course, in this ministry, may mga times talaga that you'd feel dry, no? The desolation in Ignatian terms, or yung parang the feeling that you are away from God, no? Pero kapag if I just sit down, breathe in, breathe out, and then look back at people who are doing yung nagko-comment sa akin, parang natutuwa ako kasi may mga nagme-message talaga and people who go out of their way to thank me. You know, for example, I was just in a coffee shop the other day, tapos may nag-message sa akin, "Sir, nasa Fairview ka ba ngayon?" Tapos sabi ko, "Oo, sir, pwede ka ba namin puntahan? Kasi may ireregalo lang kami." Tapos yun, pumunta talaga sila from a few kilometers away from Fairview, and then nakipag-meet sa akin. And then sinabi niya sa akin na, "Sir Romar, alam mo, dahil sa content na ginagawa mo, naalis ako from a choir. I felt so sad to the point that I was so depressed already. And then tiningnan ko lang yung mga videos mo, and then naligayahan ako. And then parang because of the videos, parang gusto ko ulit mag-serve sa simbahan." Nakakatuwa yung ganun. Tapos these kinds of moments, no, it allows me to think, no, kasi sometimes I have doubts in myself na, "Romar, am I still serving the church?" Parang I have that, am I still serving the church kung hindi naman talaga ako nasa loob ng simbahan most of the time? Kung ginagawa ko ang content sa Bukidnon or sa Mindanao or dito sa Manila. Pero yung mga ganong pagkakataon, it reminds me na even this social media thing that I'm doing, it is serving the church. I go back to serving the church.